Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning how to make white soup, a Nigerian delicacy that is so easy to put together and very healthy. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the recipe. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using cow meat. We have beef, pomo, and tripe. You can use any part of the meat. You can use any protein. We are talking goat meat, pork, just anything, it works. Transfer your meat to a pot, add salt, seasoning cubes, roughly chopped peppers and onions. If you don't want to use onions, it's totally fine, you can skip. The meat stock is going to be the base of this soup, so you have to keep it very simple. No ginger or garlic, no curry, no thyme. You see those fancy seasoning? Don't put them here. Give everything a good mix, cover and let it cook. Bring out your yam because the yam is going to serve as a thickener for this soup. It is called white soup for a reason. No palm oil, and the yam is going to serve as the thickener. If you don't have yam, you can use yam flour or any thickener you have at home. I usually keep the head of yam for making white soup so I can enjoy the rest with sauce or stew. You know this part of yam has coconut head and it does not cook fast, very strong, so it will end up as thickener in my soup. A win is a win, abi no be so. Now get your yam, you are going to cut it like this. Take out all the unwanted parts. Once you're done, you are going to rinse this and cut into small cubes. You know we are dealing with the head of yam. Even if you are using the other parts, you can do this to fasten the cooking process. My dears, if you have watched up to this point, please let me know where you are watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Welcome to the family. So glad to have you here. Let's cook, learn, and enjoy together. So my returning subscribers, you are also welcome. All done. I'm going to set this aside. Check on the meat. It was still tough. I had to add more water, cover and let it continue cooking. While the meat is cooking, it's time to prep the other ingredients. First on our list is stockfish. Bring out your stockfish. I am using stockfish flakes for this. It cooks really fast, so all I did was to wash with some cold water and set aside. If you are using the part like head, all you have to do is pour hot water, rinse thoroughly and cook alongside with the meat. Next is the pepper base. Add some scotch bonnet pepper to a blender. Add your Cameroon pepper, you can skip that. Add ehuru, also called calabash nutmeg. Don't forget to take out the shell. The one on my left has been deshelled, so that's why I added it first. Add your uda, also called negro pepper. As always, I like to remove the seed before blending. You can skip that if you want, but if you know this channel very well, you would know I always remove those seeds. Add water and blend until you have a smooth paste and set aside. Back to the meat, it is ready. Everything is looking so tantalizing. So the first thing I added here is the pepper mix we blended earlier. Some dried fish. I used the bone catfish. You can use any fish you like. Followed by your stockfish and this Aden fruit. If you want to get it from the local market, please don't say Aden fruit or say uyayak. If not, those women will just be staring at you like, we don't have that, but it's right there in their shop. So please say uyayak. The next thing I added is the obeyi, followed by some blended uziza seed. This is optional, but it adds a lot of flavor to the soup. Give everything a good stir, making sure all those spices we just added is well combined. We are not done. It's time to add the yam. Imagine the yam soaking up the flavors we've just added. You will know that this soup is going to be very, very delicious. Add the yam cubes to the pot. Cover and let it cook until it becomes very soft. You need some water to aid the cooking process, so I added more water. I'm covering it right now and I'm going to let it cook. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. While that is cooking, let's prep the veggies we will need for this recipe. Should I say vegetable? I think that's the one we all can understand. The first here is uziza leaf. You don't need too much leaf, like 5 or 10 is enough. It's just to give it that flavor. Wash this thoroughly and slice. For any vegetables you are dealing with, to save the nutrients, it is advisable you take it home to slice. Do not slice before you wash. wash first before you slice, okay? Now here is the twist you never knew your white soup needed. You are going to add some utazi leaf for that slight bitter taste. You see these 2 leaves? Try as much as possible not to skip it, okay? Because it's going to give the soup that authentic vibe, the authentic white soup recipe. It needs both utazi leaf and uziza leaf. All done, so set this aside. Let's check on the yam. This has been cooking for over 10 minutes and this is what we have. To check if the yam is ready, I will dip a skewer. If it goes in smoothly, then the yam is ready. But if it does not, just cover, add more water and continue cooking. Oh, sorry. What I should have said is add more water, cover and continue cooking. My yam was ready, so I took it out. Make sure you search and turn this soup to make sure you collected all the yam you put in the first place. You don't want to serve your soup and start saying yam later, okay? So make sure you turn it, turn it, turn it. You see? Our stock is becoming very thick. I transferred the yam to a blender. I'm going to add water and I will blend until I have a very smooth paste. To be honest, you don't need this much yam to thicken your soup. 5 or 7 is enough, depending on how thick you want it to be. But 10 is the least, please. I am saying this just to prevent you from wasting your yam like I did. Now, you can see the paste is very smooth. I'm going to add it to the soup. You might be wondering, why did I not use mortar to pound it? Why did I not this? Why did I not that? This method is better for beginners. That way you don't have any yam balls or lump in your soup later. This one will dissolve easily, especially if it's your first time cooking this soup. I recommend you use this method, okay? You see those lumps you are seeing right there? Don't worry, they are like the Egyptians you see today. In the next 2 minutes, you will see them no more. And guess what? You don't have to stress over it. Just cover the pot again. Before you see, they have gone. You will see them no more, just like this. Yeah. Where are they? You cannot see them. Now add your crayfish. This page, as far as I'm concerned, when you are cooking soup, you have to add your crayfish first. Give it a good stir. Then you taste. What did I say? Then you taste. Taste it before you go ahead and add your seasoning cubes. If not, your food might come out salty. Even when you want to season, don't just pour everything at once. So just go in small. That way, you will not under-season your food and over-season your food, if there is a word like that. Now, this is what you should have. Our soup is already coming together. Lastly, we are going to end it all up with the uziza and the utazi leaf. Give it a good stir, let it infuse its flavor, and it's time to turn off the heat. Remove the uyayak now, but if you still want the flavors, you can just leave it till the next day before you remove it. But it's been cooking for a while now. It should have released all the flavors, so it's time to say bye-bye. And guys, your soup is ready. If you have watched up till this point, please do well to like this video, share with someone that needs it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go. Please, Emma Binu, anyone that used to hear, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is not easy putting these videos out here. So the only way you can encourage me is to subscribe. Watch this video till the very end. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you. And I will see you in my next video. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Bye.